In this video, we will discuss about SARS-CoV-2 host interaction and what are the strategies that has been utilized to find out the drug that is effective effective to reduce this SARS-CoV-2 host interaction. So, one of the strategy, let's first discuss the strategy. One of the strategy that people have utilized is to test test the proteins that are overexpressed in SARS-CoV-2 affected cell against the library that has host cells or the proteins of the host. So in that case, they will be able. Scientists has been able to identify around 65 FDA approved protein to counteract those effects. This is you can like 65 FDA approved compound to counteract those effects. Or you can say drug. And they have tested this 69 this identified FDA approved drug against the SARS-CoV-2, and they have found that it significantly reduced, but not completely. It reduced the impact of SARS-CoV-2 on the host. So this is the short strategy that most researchers have used to identify or to find out the drug that is effective on SARS-CoV-2. However, the detailed information about host interaction would be much more beneficial and help us to design a drug that is design or find out a drug that is effective or more effective towards inhibiting the SARS-CoV-2 and host cell interaction. So in this approach, what people have found out that there is we have already discussed about non-structural proteins, and in this non-structural protein, it will does is it will secrete proteins like PPA1A, PP1B, PP1B, these proteins. And what these proteins does is this protein goes to the cytosol and directs and try to change the translation and try to or divert the translation machinery of the cells to produce to translate more viral RNA than its host essential RNAs. Divert cell machinery, produce more viral RNA, or you can say, and decrease host RNAs. More viral RNA, you can say, like translate more viral RNA and reduce translation of host RNAs. So with a reduction of the translation of host RNA, the amount of the production of interferon get reduced. Interferons get reduced, and interferon gets reduced, then SARS-CoV-2 will be able to you can say dodge the innate immune system of the cell, as interferons are the proteins that are usually produced whenever a cell interacts with and foreign proteins or the virus, foreign things or the virus, you can say. So this is one of the things that people have identified in SARS-CoV-2, how it avoid the innate immune system. So this is one more thing that we have discussed in the previous videos is that innate immune system has been can detect double-stranded RNA. Our host cell innate immune system can detect double-stranded RNA, and these are usually present in the cytosol. However, in our previous video, we have understand that the DMV, double membrane vesicles, plays a role where double-stranded RNA formation occurs, and there are also assumptions. It is not yet confirmed that viral RNA synthesis of viral RNA also occurred within the DMP. Here, intermediate double-stranded RNA and viral RNA synthesis occur. This helps SARS-CoV-2 to dodge the innate immune system. And in SARS-CoV, what people have identified that ORF, we know what is ORF. ORF is open reading frame. ORF3b, ORF6, and N protein, that is nucleocapsid protein. They helps, or you can say they interacts with interferon and reduce its efficiency to detect the virus. And in SARS-CoV-2, people have so far close to find out, or you can say people are assuming, or people are in the process of study and have a very good consensus, or you can say people are confident. People are confident that ORF3b act as a interferon antagonistic. However, this thing is still under study and it is not yet been 100% proved. However, people are working on it, and initial results shows that ORF3b could be the interferon antagonistic in SARS-CoV-2. So this ORF3b will help SARS-CoV-2 to avoid innate immune system, or you can say prevent the host cell immune system to prevent the host cell immune system to get activated. Yeah, that will be the nice sentence. And this is how SARS-CoV-2, some of the ways by which SARS-CoV-2 avoids innate immune response and interact with, helps to replicate and what we can say, helps to replicate and expressed within the host cell. That's all for this video. Thank you.